How to use Temu gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Temu gift card. So, if you want to use gift card while checking out, what you'll have to do is first of all, open the Temu application on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've done that, simply add some items to your cart and then tap on your cart, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option checkout, and then once you're on this page, simply scroll down, and then if you have a coupon code, you can also apply that by tapping on this option and then entering your code over here. But if you don't have a coupon code and simply want to redeem your gift card, what you'll have to do is simply tap on the option add a new card, and then you'll have to enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, etc. over here. And once you've done that, simply tap on the option add your card. So that is basically how you use Temu gift card. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.